Hello and welcome back. Now we are going to set up CPU limits. It is relatively easy to set up memory limits, but CPU limits is actually little complex here. You don't need to worry. I will try my level best to explain it very easily. So let's start. Let's start with the CPU limits introduction. In Docker, CPU limits are configured differently depending on whether you are working with the individual container or service in Swarm. So, here we have different game for containers, different game for services. We can set up different kind of limits for hard limits. We have different kind of soft limits. Okay, so that's why I said it is little bit complex. Okay, now container use a specific flags like for soft limits we have CPU share. So if you are going to set up soft limit for container, you can use CPU share. I'm going to explain you all this. You don't need to worry about this. It is just an introduction video about CPU limits. Then for hard limits, you have to set up two things. One, CPU cores and CPU quota and CPU period. Now this one is actually a little bit complex, but no need to worry. We will talk about all of this step by step. Now, if you are going to set up CPU limits for services, you have again soft limits and hard limit. And for soft limits, we have CPU reservation. And for hard limit, we have CPU limits. So these are limits that we can set up for CPU. You don't need to worry about this. Step by step, we are going to talk about each and every options. In next video, we will discuss about CPU setting for containers. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.